Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at the RE, regular expression, regex, however you need to refer to it, whichever one you know it as. And like I told you, we are going to do this little bitty bits and pieces because this can be extremely overwhelming. So alright, last time we went and pulled down the Raven, and we looked at the occurrences of and we got this to happen. And right now, len of the is 80. But, like I hinted, that's not all of them. So, alright, sometimes, and I gave you a hint, how sentences start. If a word is at the beginning of a sentence, it gets capitalized, right? So, alright, one of the last times we learned about brackets is you could give it a search parameter, correct? Well, it also works like this. You can just type in multiple letters. So now let's let this run, and then len on the is 84. So now is what I want you to think about. So we could go through and then find the difference, but this is just some real quick simple math. There's 80 lowercase does, because that's what we ran the first time, and there's 4 capital does that start sentences. And these are the things that we're going to build upon, because there are going to be times that brackets are very, 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 very important, very handy. And very soon we're going to start dealing with special characters. You saw a little bit with glob, with a dot. Well, with regular expressions, there are multiple. It can get very, very overwhelming very, very quickly. But with this, we're going to go micro, because we're just going to build, and we're going to do it slow, and we're going to get it. And that's it. Because this is very powerful. It's a very powerful tool, especially scraping the internet, scraping web pages, email addresses, phone numbers. We're going to do some pretty cool stuff with numbers here very soon. It's either the next one or the next one. So we're going to learn about digits. We've done a little bit, but not some pretty cool stuff. So as always, if you've not clicked that subscribe button, go ahead and do that. And the notification bell, because I don't want you missing anything. And please leave any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests, and I'll get right to them. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.